Hello sir, this is Shoaib Khan from Mechanical Engineering, 3rd BTech first semester. Subject Introduction to Quantum Technology and Application. Subject code 23PHY03. My roll number is 234G1800329. Today my topic is classical and quantum cryptography. Introduction to cryptography. Cryptography is the science of securing communication by transforming information into an unreadable format. It has evolved from classical methods to complex quantum techniques. The main goal is to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of data. Blue qubit. Classical cryptography, quantum cryptography, as shown in these figures. Classical cryptography overview. Classical cryptography relies on mathematical algorithms and keys of encryption. Symmetric examples include symmetric key algorithms like AES and asymmetric algorithms like RSA. Its security depends on compressibility, difficult and secret key management. As shown in this flowchart, cryptography, symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography. In symmetric key cryptography, classical cryptography. Classical cryptography again classified into transportation clipper, substitution zipper, and symmetric key cryptography again modern cryptography. Modern cryptography again classified into two types: strip keeper, block keeper, as shown in this flowchart. Symmetric key cryptography. Symmetric key cryptography uses the same key for both encryption and decryption. It is efficient for encrypting large amounts of data quickly. Key distribution remains a challenge as secure sharing of key is essential. Public key, same key, public key, encryption, decryption. Plain text, clipper text, plain text. Symmetric cryptography. Asymmetric key cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography uses a key pair, a public key of encryption and private key for decryption. It enables secure key change and digital signatures. Algorithms like RSA and ECC are widely used in secure communication. Asymmetric encryption. Different keys, secret key, public key, plain text, hypertext. Limitations for classical cryptography. Classical cryptography can be vulnerable to advances in computational power such as quantum computing. Certain algorithms like RSA could become insecure if quantum algorithms like Shor's algorithm are practical. Key distribution and management also pose ongoing security challenges, as shown in this figure. Introduction to quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography leverages principles of quantum mechanics to secure information. It offers theoretically unbreakable security based on the laws of physics. Quantum key distribution QKD is the most prominent application of quantum cryptography. Classical versus quantum cryptography strengths and challenges. Classical quantum key distribution QKD allows two parties to generate shared secret key with security granted by quantum physics. An eavesdropping attempt disturbs the quantum states, alerting the communicating parties. Protocols like BB84 are foundational to quantum secure communication. Quantum key distribution QKD. Advantages of quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography provides security that is not reliant on computational assumptions. That is not computational assumptions. It enables detection of evaders, disproving, ensuring high levels of privacy. As quantum networks develop, quantum cryptography could revolution secure communications. Classical versus quantum cryptography strengths and challenges, as in this figure. Challenges and future of quantum cryptography. Implementing quantum cryptography requires sophisticated, expensive hardware and infrastructure. Distance limitations and signal loss are significant technical hurdles. Ongoing research aims to develop practical, scalable, quantum secure communication systems. Classical versus quantum cryptography strengths and challenges in this figure. Thank you for this opportunity. So that's it, the classical and quantum cryptography. Thank you.